Hey guys, how are you doing? So listen, some of you know that when I was on the road, one of the ways that I would create income for myself, I would do Shipt. Shipt is like a shopper's app where you sign up for Shipt, kind of like a DoorDash. You sign up for Shipt, but Shipt has contracts with like grocery stores, Target, pet stores, and just like Best Buy and other stores as well, like CVS, Walgreens, and things like that. But I used to be a Shipt shopper, and that was one way that I supplied myself with money while on the road. And since I'm a Shipt shopper, I get a discount if I use their services for myself. Okay, so today is the first day I am using their services because I want to make a chickpea salad for dinner tonight. I'm trying my best to make better eating choices, and I'm going to show you guys my refrigerator later on what I did over the weekend, okay? And you got to start somewhere, okay? You got to start somewhere. So I'm working from home today, and I get off at 4, and then I have a conference call with Discount Lots at 5, so I just won't have time to go to the store and get the things I need to make a chickpea salad. So I placed my first Shipt order for myself. Oh my goodness gracious, from Target. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm working from home. I probably already said that. That's why I'm not able to really go to the store. I could, but I don't really want to be out at 6, 7 o'clock trying to get some ingredients. I ain't doing that. Anywho, so yeah, I'm going to catch y'all back after I get my Shipt order, but I'm going to get back to work because it's a busy Monday. My order is here. Put that away. There's my order. Okay, let's look what I got, y'all. Excuse my messy kitchen. This is what it looks like when you live in it. Okay. Let's see. Got some orange juice to go with some smoothies. Some almond milk to go with smoothies. Dijon mustard. This is going to help make the dressing for my chickpea salad. I needed some more peanut butter. And we got chickpeas. I got 2 cans. Because this is one of those dishes you can save and store for leftovers. I really wanted bell peppers, but they didn't have any, so I settled for those. Well, I didn't really ask. What in the who? I didn't ask for those. Did I? I don't think I did. Got some eggs. And I got a blender for my smoothie. Because I was trying to make a smoothie earlier with this thing and it wouldn't even turn on. I tell you, it's always something. Anyways, and I got a mouse pad for my wrist because my wrist is hurting at my desk. I'm going to check on these items because I didn't order that, and I didn't order this, and I didn't order this. I already have one of these. So I'm going to check on that, my order, make sure I didn't get charged for those items. But I'm going back to work. as well. So, for those few items that I did not order, I didn't pay for them either. So, I had to make sure it's recording. So, I texted the delivery guy and said, hey, there's some items in my bag that I didn't order, because I'm sure he was probably doing more than one order at a time and gave me someone else's stuff. I love cucumbers. Y'all know that. I'll eat them. I will eat them, yes. But other than that, I got everything else I ordered, so I don't know if he's going to come back or not. If he does, I'll give them to him. All right, y'all. I got about another hour of work. Yeah. I got about another hour of work. So, and then after that, I'm going to rest for a minute, chill out, and then get ready for my conference call with Discount Lots. Yeah. They have a new marketing executive there, and he just wants to meet their affiliated associates. And I'm one of them. Hopefully, I know they said they changed a few things on the contract and how commission is paid out and all that jazz. So that's what we'll go over is the new terms of the contract, and we'll see if, we want to continue this partnership. So that's what that whole phone call is about. And quite frankly, guys, I have had several people use my discount code for Discount Lots. If you're not familiar with Discount Lots, I'll tell you more about it in a later video if I decide to renew my contract with them. So, okay, I gotta go back to work. Bye, y'all. Okay, all right. International, okay.
Yes. So just to introduce myself, I'm Tommy. Yeah, you can call me Tommy. So I'm the marketing manager of Discount Lots, and I know that.
Welcome to my kitchen again. Ooh, no. Y'all just gonna keep me company today, okay? Welcome to my kitchen again, okay? We are gonna cook some dinner. Actually, it's not. Put these dishes up. We're really not doing a lot of cooking. We just gotta. I made this. I bought this seasoned salmon. It's seasoned salmon. Look good. That's what we're gonna eat today. Then we're gonna make a chickpea salad as well today. So I really wanted to go camping last weekend. I really did. That was my intention, was to go camping last weekend. But unfortunately, time was not my friend. Time was not my friend, and I didn't make it. I just wasn't prepared to go. These are chickpeas. I'm doing 2 cans. Yeah. I just wasn't prepared, so I ran out of time. So this week I am definitely preparing to go camping next weekend. Springtime is here. I better enjoy this cool weather before it gets extremely hot here. I've really been trying to just make better eating choices. I don't know if y'all can hear me with all this. Hold on. I'm just gonna wash these chickpeas off. You can also roast these and have them and season them up with some olive oil and have them as them corn chip snacks or something like that. I've had those before. They're pretty good. They're good salad toppings too. Anywho, let me get a bowl. Give that a rinse. So I've been craving this for about a week now. Probably over a week. I've been wanting this chickpea salad. So we're gonna make it today. So now for fresh herbs for my chickpea salad, instead of buying the fresh herbs, I got these one that come in the little container. So this is cilantro, this is parsley, and wait, I got 2 parsleys. It was supposed to be basil. I got 2 parsleys. Gosh darnish. Gosh darnish. So we're gonna need cucumber, lemon, red onion, and my peppers. Yeah. So we're going to give all of these a rinse as well. Give these a rinse. Give these a rinse. Yeah, so what I've been doing in my kitchen, friends, is as I'm eating the food that I have in here, I've been just replacing them with healthier choices. So you guys should see my refrigerator. To me, it looks exciting. Yeah, I probably can't see what I'm doing. I'm just chopping up some peppers. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna make like the traditional chickpea salad. I'm just making what I'm going to use. I'm making it my way. Okay? Yeah. Just chop these up. So with all the produce that I recently purchased, I've cleaned them, washed them, got them all ready to save time, because that's what I'm looking for too. Not only am I trying to make better eating choices, I'm also trying to save myself time. So when I get off work, I don't have to spend an hour or so in the kitchen making my own food all the time. So if I can do a little prep ahead of time, that saves me so much time. So much time. And this is a real easy salad. And I think I might add some kale to it, because that's my business and that's what I want to do. Yeah, I know I got that from Tabitha, because that's my business. That's what I want to do. Now, I know before I used to do the low carb keto diet. I like to say low carb, healthy fats diet. And it did work. It worked. I lost like over 40 pounds in a year. And it worked. But as soon as you go back to eating carbs, you're going to gain that weight right back. So my philosophy is, I don't believe in diets. I just believe in making healthier choices when you eat and your portion control. I think that's enough peppers. One more. I love peppers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a little early before I cook my salmon, because I want this to marinate in the dressing I'm gonna make, just so that everything can marry and get to know each other and combine. Okay, so we got that. Let me get my cucumber. I'm so mad because I did all that filming. I made this fabulous salad and I did all this filming and it started off great, but at the end, my volume wasn't coming out. So, you guys missed everything I talked about and me making this wonderful kale salad. Look at that. It looks good. It's got chickpeas. Did I say a kale salad? It's a chickpea salad, but I put kale in it. So I'm gonna bring you over here so you can take a look. Okay, here is my salad. It's got kale, chickpeas, cucumbers, red onions, tomatoes, and bell peppers, feta cheese, and the salad dressing that I put on this was olive oil, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, garlic, salt, and pepper. And also I put in some chopped parsley and chopped cilantro in here as well. So y'all missed all of that. Let me make sure it's recording. Okay, it's still recording. You guys missed all of that. I'm just gonna stir it up. This is so good. And you might be wondering, like, why do you make so much? Well, I'm gonna have this for lunch as well. And a dinner salad. And it's all vegetables, so it's not like I'm gonna get full like real quick. But also, I bought these high fiber keto wraps. I think I got these from our grocery store Schnucks here. And you can put some of this in here and make a veggie wrap easily as well. So it's versatile for me. But yeah, that is gonna be so good. Okay, our pan feels hot. And I'm gonna cook this in vegetable oil because I want to get, this stove is not leveled. That is so annoying. It is so annoying because then all your grease goes to one side. So you gotta kind of hold it. Oh, so annoying. Okay. And this is what the salmon looks like. I don't know if y'all can see. Boy, and filming lighting means everything. This is the salmon. It looks very well seasoned. It's got the skin on. Yeah. So we want to get this hot. We're gonna cook it on the skin side down for like 5 minutes. Oh, that's better. Maybe I didn't put it in all the way, but it's still a little slanted. Now it's going to the other side. because I just cleaned the stove the other day. Maybe I didn't put it in all the way. I think it's ready. Okay. We're going to put this skin down. Ooh. Yep. Ooh, cat. Ooh, Lord. That's dangerous. I'm pressing down on it, not hard, but just lightly, just so that the bottom of the salmon gets nice and crispy. We're gonna flip this over. It's been about 5 minutes, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Look at that crust, y'all. And I'm gonna put some butter in here. Okay. And cook it for about 4 minutes. All right, our salmon is done. I'm gonna turn this off and remove it from the grease. I'm gonna just set it on this paper towel to drain some of that, or to soak up some of that grease. Look at that. Dinner. I think that's pretty healthy. What y'all think? Let's give this a try. Let's give this a taste. Yeah, look at that. Look. Let's break that up. Look at that. Oh, you can hear it crunch. Mm-hmm. That's good. I already know this chickpea salad good. Cause when y'all weren't watching, I was eating. Got my new favorite Sprite. This is sparkling water, bubbly, but to me it tastes like Sprite. So that's my 0-calorie soda.
You get the tips by design. Let's get it.
This meal is so delicious. I just had to come back. Everything, Schnucks, grocery store, did its thing by seasoning that salmon. I added nothing to it but the butter and oil. That was it. The salad, it's like you're tasting just all freshness, juices just pouring in your mouth from all the different vegetables. Oh my goodness. This dish is definitely a win-win. So I'm sitting here watching this YouTube video and I'm just like, wow. I don't know. This relaxes me, but man, having a homestead is a lot of work. But hers is so pretty. And she filmed it perfectly. Look at that. Look at that. That is so cool. Anyways, y'all, I ate all of that. That food was so delicious. I'm telling you, it was so good. So good. Definitely, I will be making that again, for sure. It's a good health. It was tasty. And I'm satisfied. I'm not no longer hungry. Let me mute this because now she getting loud. No, yeah, it was. But I was trying to say a lot of things while I was making that salad, y'all. I'm for real. One of the things, I don't know if I caught that or not, but last weekend did not really go as planned because I had really planned on going camping last weekend, but I just ran out of time and I didn't have the time to prepare to go camping. So by the time I would have got packed, got everything I needed to go camping, I would have been looking into the evening hours and I was not about to leave out of here in the evening to go anywhere. Okay? So now I have this week and I am preparing and planning my trip. Well, my trip, I'm not going that far, but I just want to go back out in nature again, get out the house, be in my van, have a campfire. I got to use this wood before it gets hot. But yeah, so that's my plan for this weekend. So I'm not sure. We will see if there will be a video on Sunday or not because I'm going camping and that's the video I want to put out next. After this one is the camping one. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. If I have a video to put out, then I will put it out. If not, I won't. I'll just wait until I get the content to put it out. All right, guys. I am... Bye, y'all. Bye, y'all. Bye. See you later. Have a good night. Thanks for having dinner with me. And I don't have a recipe for that because I just make it. I just made it. There's no recipe, okay? The salmon, I did not season. I bought it seasoned from the grocery store. And there's plenty of YouTube channels that shows you how to make chickpea salads. And I made mine my way, okay? Good morning. I'm back, okay? I'm up this morning. It's a work week. And I was laying down last night and I was like, you know what? I forgot to show you guys my fridge. Now, I know I mentioned that my coffee is brewing, if that's what you hear in the background. I mentioned that I want to try and make better eating choices. Because with the menopause thing, we gain weight and I don't need any help. So I got to switch up my diet and switch up what I eat. And so I believe it always starts with what you bring inside of your home. So as I'm eating what I have and when I go grocery shopping, I'm just making better choices of when I'm buying things. So I'm going to show you my fridge, guys. Okay. I'm going to turn you guys around. Here is the fridge. Hold on. Yep, there we go. Here's the fridge. Now, these are all my sparkling waters. I got my almond milk, eggs. There's some more veggies in there. those are those veggies that I got from the delivery driver that I didn't order or pay for. But here's my orange juice. I got these little containers from Amazon, and you actually can store your vegetables in here, fruit, whatever you need. So like I said, everything is washed and clean. I got grapes, strawberry, broccoli, kale. I have my beef bacon. This is my chicken meat for my wraps. And this is some green leaf lettuce for my wraps. Yeah. Yogurt, potatoes. Got my fruit too down there. And this bin is just all cheese. Don't ask. I love cheese. But yeah, and all my condiments and things are right there. Now I also do have my snacks. I do have snacks. You know, every day ain't gonna be a healthy kick, but the majority of the days will be. So I think today for lunch, I am really just going to bring some of my chickpea salad and an orange and a bubbly is what I'm going to bring for lunch today at work. Cheers to a good morning. Spring. Happy springtime, guys. The seasons are about to change, and here in Missouri, this is a tornado season for us. We've already had a tornado warning, and last week we had a tornado warning right when I got to work. Oh my gosh, right when I got to work. I clocked in, I turned my computer on, clocked in, and then I clocked in, and then I went to go get some coffee and put my lunch in the fridge, and the alarms went off, and we had to all stand in the stairwells of the building, and it went a little something like this. Good morning. I am on my way to work this morning. Guys, look, we're gonna have a storm. We are gonna have a storm, and it brings me back to when I was in my van, and when it would rain and the sounds of the rain on my van, and it was just so relaxing. Oh my goodness. One thing that van life definitely has taught me is I appreciate nature. I appreciate it. You know, I'm working more towards not complaining about weather because it's beautiful. It was just lightning, and I tried to catch it and tried to show you guys the lightning, but it's not lightning right now. But there it goes. Did you see a little bit of it? It did, yeah. Guys. Okay, yeah. So this is tornado season for us Missourians. Yeah. So y'all be safe out there. The weather's changing. Yes, which means for more sun. I love the sun. More sun. Yes, indeed. Anyways, I'm going to enjoy my coffee. I have to get ready for work, and I am going into the office. And just so I know, I read some comments where people say, oh, I wish I could work from home. And, you know, and I just do want to mention, I do not work from home every day. And it's not up to me when I want to work from home. The work from home option is kind of like a safety measure that they put into place. So if we do have like bad weather, we can log in from home. They make us take our laptops home every night, just in case if something like that did happen. We can log in from work, and They don't lose no money. But it is a nice option to have. So for the last 3 months, they have allowed us to pick 4 days a week, 4 days out that month to work from home. It has to either be a Monday or a Friday. So you pick 4 days, either a Monday or a Friday of that month that you can work from home. And that's how I get to work from home. Is this something that they're going to do every month? I surely hope so. But it's not guaranteed, but the option is nice. I think they should keep it like that. I think it's really nice to give us that option because we can get so much done working from home that we normally wouldn't get done if we go into the office. But every day, I don't think I can do this every day, work from home, but I do like it when I can. Anyways, okay. Yeah, I know what time it is. It's time for me to get ready to go to work, okay? I'll see you later.